Hello, I'm Lawrence Barth, and I direct the Housing and Urbanism program in the postgraduate school of the AA. And today I'm going to show you our exhibition as part of the AA Projects Review. This point in the year is a really interesting time for housing and urbanism because, unlike a large part of the school, our students are not at this point showing finished work, but they're showing work in progress. And so what I'd like to do is to show you a little bit about how we put on display the way we work. Now, at the same time, I say that it's not finished work. We package it up, and we package up the work that the students have been doing over the last few months that are part of what we call the design workshop. Now, one of the things, if you were here, you would notice that we've got 21 students that are part of our phase one group, and they've been working on these design workshop booklets. And we've got another 20 students who are part of our phase two program. And I'm going to show you a little bit of their finished work in a moment. But the logic of these four books is that they each represent group work that allows all the students to come together and to have a kind of discussion and drawing space where they work together on really complex multi-scalar briefs. So one of them is working with the idea that there is a sort of blue-green infrastructure on the periphery of the city near where the London Olympics were held. The Lee Valley area has got this wonderful kind of water course running through it. It's got concerns about hydrology and biodiversity, and so there's a focus there on regenerative urbanism that is concerned with the landscape. At the same time, they're working with the idea that a stronger productive habitat, intensifying, enhancing the industries that are there and drawing new industries together with this sort of regenerative approach to landscape. Another group is working on the idea of Bermondsey, which is a more sort of inner peripheral site that's very fragmented here in London and is running along the Thames and has a kind of complex, very fragmented urbanity to it, where they've got the Thames River running along one side, and they've got a park along the other, and then a rail line cutting through it, and the geography and the infrastructure gives that a very complicated sort of geometry, but they're working with the idea that what they want to do is to improve the way in which it can become a mecca for creative industries with a kind of live-work focus. So really changing the typologies that sort of revitalize these parts of the city that were one time a little bit lost and in a sense just became dormitory areas, and now they start to become a really intensive part of the city. Another group is working with the idea of requalifying an estate. So it's estate regeneration. How do you intensify, bring new value, diversify services? And another one is working with adaptive reuse and repurposing of central city office towers that are now kind of diminishing in terms of their real value to contemporary workspace. And so it's an opportunity to repurpose them as housing.